I've been nurturing this flat peach, satin flat peach, for a while because he had a disease, and I cleaned it all up, and then I waited such a long time for these fruits to get ripened. There's quite a few of them there, and suddenly I saw a squirrel in the garden, Archie, where I've been trying to keep him away from the fruit trees. Now I've got this apricot here, apricot, and that's apricot as well. I didn't get enough fruit on this year, and on this one again that had a disease on it, but I cured the disease, and there was a one apricot here. I only got one apricot. It's nearly ripe. It was my fault actually. I pruned it because he had a disease again. I treated it and it's looking very healthy now, but it's too late. I lost all the fruit. But next year I'm learning all the time, and I caught the squirrel trying to go for it, but I came and took it off, and that is the only apricot that is on here. And I've been waiting for this apricot to ripen for about 3 months, and the squirrel tried to take it away from me. Let's have a taste. That's a big apricot, that. It's nice and juicy. Yeah, it smells strong apricot scent. Got no worms, nothing. It's clean inside. Wow. That is delicious. I was gutted when I didn't get any more fruits. Next year. I shall go and give the other half to the missus. Hey love, have a taste of that. He was going to take it. The squirrel was on there. He was going to take it.
Have I got to eat this bit?
No, this bit, not the seed.
I know that.
Seriously, what do you think?
Very nice.
That's the only apricot I got on there, and I was waiting for about 3 months to get ripened. No, you eat it. And the little rascal was trying to take it. I should be more careful next year.